So I got this random phone number call, which I never answer the random phone number calls because it's probably a spam person, right? But sometimes I feel like I should just answer it. So I picked it up and there was this realtor, this real estate guy named Tyler, and he was like, yo, I have this property, you should check it out. I'm like, okay, cool. Next thing you know, I bought it, but you won't believe what I ran into with this thing. Let's check it out. So sometimes you get yourself into situations and you find stuff out later, and that's exactly what happened here. I got this property under contract. I knew it had a fire, but I called the city and they're like, yeah, we have an active approval for demolition on this property. It's in a condemned status, and there's an administrative fine of, are you ready? $160,000. I was like, what? This property is 880 square feet, and we'll see. I might Airbnb it, I might rent it, I might sell it, depending on the market, and we'll see what happens. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. I'm gonna make it a 2-bedroom, 2-bath by putting a full bathroom in the shower. I'm stealing a little bit of square footage from the washer and dryer, like frame out that was there. I'm gonna put a stackable washer and dryer over there to save that space. And the water heater is gonna go here in the back area, and there's a little door here, maybe a little outside storage. So we needed more light, right? So my idea was to add a couple more windows here, so we had to get the structural engineer involved to coordinate with the architect and get everything submitted in a package to the city, and it's now in review. So we gotta replace some charred rafters here and everything, and we're gonna put the kitchen over here. It's gonna be a beautiful layout. So let's check out the final product. All right, so for this neighborhood, we decided to keep the finishes somewhat on a basic level because it's not the best neighborhood out of all the neighborhoods in Jacksonville. So we went with basic stainless steel appliances. They're still pretty nice though. And then a black granite countertop. And then we went with chrome for all of our plumbing fixtures and everything to keep this, for this neighborhood again, you wanna flip and do the renovations according to the comps. So instead of our nice 12 by 24 tile, we actually went with just a white subway tile, again with chrome finishes, and just the same agreeable gray paint, and the flooring, and it's all very, very nice, but like 6 panel doors, keeping it simple. So there's 3 points I want to go over to maximize this 880 square foot space. One thing that we did is add a stackable laundry unit closet. We added a scuttle hole in this hallway to add the HVAC handler in the attic to maximize the floor space. And the third point that we did was we added a tankless water heater to, again, maximize the space. So remember to click the like button because it's always very helpful. You can download our flipping template, which is a link in the description. Book consulting sessions with me, join the Suit Club on Discord. There's people all across the world in the club chatting about business and entrepreneurship. Give this video a like and we'll see you in the next video.